So let's take a look at our structure again, and we'll just start at the top. I really want to go over this because these logic structures are how WISE functions. And if you can understand the basic functionality of how this moves through its logic structure, that will really help you in the modules to come, and also what these can do and how you can combine them. Because once you understand how they work, you can put them together in any way that strikes your fancy. There's not necessarily a right way to do something. And in this way, you can really be flexible and accommodate to the specific needs of your project. So let's take a look once again. Here we have a blend container. Inside that blend container, we have a pedal init sequence container. This blend container does not have any blend tracks. We're just using it as a top-level container for the sequence container because we may want to build further functionality somewhere into this tree down the line. So next we have our pedal init sequence container. Inside that we have pedal start and bicycle alt. So if we open that up, we can see that first pedal start plays and then bicycle alt plays. And bicycle alt in turn has a blend track called altitude. In this blend track, we can see that it has combined these two loop containers, which are random containers in a loop mode, such that we have a game parameter here, which we can move back and forth between these two loops. So they'll both be playing and we'll hear them crossfade between pedal level and pedal up according to this loop. However, we can have the game set us a hard value, such as moving directly from 0 to 100, and we will still have this smooth crossfade happen over time, because we have in the game sync section here, in the altitude game parameter, slew rate is activated. We have slew rate set to 35 units a second, which means that it will take 3 seconds to go from 0 to 100. If we wanted this to take 2 seconds, then we would simply bring this up to 100 divided by 2, which is 50. And now it would move 50 units a second, which means that over a period of 2 seconds, it would have moved 100 units, which is the minimum of 0 to the maximum of 100. So that's how slew rate works. And if we come back and look at our functionality, and that will keep playing indefinitely until it receives a stop event from the game engine. The blending between pedal level and pedal up in turn is controlled by this parameter altitude, which we receive values from the game engine for representative of the player's current actions. In the next modules, we'll look at building even further functionality into the single top-level container bicycle.